Time is money. Time is money. Everybody keep hitting me up. I don't got the 500 for you to change my life. How can I change my life? How can I get my own SBA loan? Well, today is the video that's gonna tell you how you can get an SBA loan for free at home that you don't have to pay back. If you're interested in that, watch this video to the very, very end. I just gave y'all some amazing videos about banking, about the new Moo app, about getting money. If you're concerned about getting money, saving money, investing money, then subscribe to this channel. This channel is for you. Now, with that said, let's get into the video that's in hand, how to get your own SBA loan. But if you don't want to get your own SBA loan, or you want your credit repaired, or you want to make $3,000 to $5,000 within 7 days, then first in the description is my email, and then that's my Instagram. Just hit me up and say, I need that $500 sauce. I'll send you the Cash App or the Apple Pay, whichever one you prefer. And then, hey, you rich from there. You rich from there, but I ain't gonna hold you. If you're interested in that, first in the description, Global Drippin LLC at gmail.com or at The Real Tab Flames. Follow me on Instagram and send me a message. DM me, I DM you right back if you're interested in the $500 plan that'll change your life. They come with an SBA loan of $25K guaranteed, EIN or not. Also, your credit repaired if you need it. If you don't need it, cool. Also, on top of that, it comes with $3,000 to $5K within days. So if you're interested in that, there you go. But let's get straight into it for the people that doesn't have it. All right, what is needed to be approved for an SBA loan? We know an SBA loan is a small business loan. That's the Small Business Administration. All right, generally, to be eligible, based on business income and ownership. That's why you got to have your documents together. You got to know what you're doing. So for $500, you could just holler at me on my email, first in the description, or on Instagram, and I got you. You don't have to worry about none of that. But this is the way you do it if you don't have money. You meet the SBA side standard. It's about how many employees you got, how much you dishing out. You gotta know what you're doing. You gotta know what you're doing. How to repay and the sound of purpose. All right, somebody asked me, what disqualify you from getting an SBA loan? It's a lot that disqualify you from SBA loan. Let me tell you that right now. Such things like poor credit, too much exceeding debt, or insignificant collateral. See, business credit is different from personal credit. You can have a great or bad personal score. It don't affect your business score. That's a whole different entity. Your business, your LLC or your S Corp separate you from your business, if that makes sense. I want y'all to pay attention, but you don't have to worry about that if you come holler at me. All right, and I don't do no talking. You just tell me you want the sauce. I ask you Apple Pay or Cash App, and then you pay. Then after proof of payment, you send me the screenshot and your email, and we own from then. All right, how much cash do I get from an SBA loan? All right, you guys, I don't know why y'all ask this question, but it's typically, the minimum is 10% of the SBA 504. They go off your tax returns. That's what I'm saying. You don't have to worry about all these things. A lot of people think you can just get an LLC tomorrow and then the next day you can get a $25,000 loan from Navy Federal Bank. It don't work like that, guys, but it work like that if you want to holler at me for the $500 plan. It really do. But you got to, it go off your tax return, but it could go anywhere from $5,000 all the way to $5,500,000. My bad. I want to be politically correct. I wrote down the answers to all the questions y'all had to ask, and I'm not gonna hold y'all long. How do an SBA loan? How do you get it step by step? I give y'all 6 steps, but I'm not gonna give y'all all the sauce. That way y'all wouldn't have to holler at me. You know, I can't. The game is to be sold, not told. But I'm gonna give y'all 6 steps. Identify the small business project, because you got to have a business plan. Number 2, determine how much financing you need. I will go for the max. Number 3, find a bank to finance your loan. This is what a lot of people have messed up. You can't even get a SBA loan in a regular bank account, you would have to have a business banking account, and y'all don't even know the difference. So that's why you don't have to worry about that if you holler at me for the $500 plan. It's just on you. I just keep telling people that's the easy route to go. And please don't disrespect me. Some people reach out, I never write back. Yo, can you send me your credentials? Can you send me stuff that you contacted me, motherfucker? The fuck? You scared to invest in yourself. All right. Last but not least, my son texted me, y'all. I got to hurry up. I got food delivered to their house. He said it ain't right. I got to make sure that's right. My kids get whatever. All right. So anyway, number 4, complete. I think I said I would give y'all 6. All right. Complete your full loan application package. That is not as easy as y'all think. Number 5, underwriting with the bank, meaning y'all got to come to some type of agreement or deal. Number 6, closing. You get your money. How difficult is it to get an SBA loan? It's very hard to qualify. Although the government guaranteed reduced risk, it's almost impossible to get it unless you have very good business credit and business history and business that qualify. That's why I can make it work for you. You don't have to have nothing to go through me. But I'm just answering y'all questions that need y'all question answered. What is the easiest SBA loan to get? It's an SBA loan express loans. What is that? It's a loan program that offers the easiest application process, the fastest approval times among all SBA loans. These loans with payoff periods as long as 25 years. Do y'all know what that interest rate gonna be? Going through me, you don't never have to pay it back. I got ways to sauce it. Now I'm gonna answer about 2-3 more questions. I can't answer. I got literally so many questions. Just to give y'all an example, what is the disadvantage of an SBA loan? I'm not gonna answer that. Tab Flames, what is the 5 SBA loan requirement for a small business? I answer that. You got to have profit business, a legal structure. You got to be independently owned and operated. You got to be nationally dominant in the field. You got to be physically located and operated in the United States territory. What is a required credit score for SBA? 620 and up. With me, I repair your credit. With me, you don't need it. I do the whole, that's why it's the $500 package. I do all of this for you. So it don't matter, but if you want to do it by yourself, 620. You understand? How much collateral does the SBA require? We ain't worried about that. How long does it take to get an SBA loan? 30 to 90 days, you guys. But to be honest with you, it takes 5 to 7 days after I submit it. And after I submit it, then 21 days after that. So let's say if you approved on the first approved letter, right? I send you email you a deposit form where you want the money to go. This is with me doing it. And when 21 days of that date, like the 22nd, you will have your money in your bank account. Easy peasy. They say 30 to 90 days, but doing it their way, 30 to 90 days. Can you get an SBA loan without collateral? Hell no. How soon do you have to pay back an SBA loan? They give different type of times. Most times, the normal time is 2 years. The way I do it, you never have to pay back. You never have to hear from them. I have a lot of satisfied customers. Now, one more, y'all. How do I start paying my loan back? I'm not worried about paying shit back. I'm not trying to pay nothing back. Let me make sure my kids ain't outside. Oh, yes, they is. Well, my kids out there, if you need an SBA loan, you need your credit repaired, you need a quick $5,000 to $7,000, you want the $500 plan, first in the description is my email, then you got my Instagram name. If that's something that you're interested in, like, subscribe, share this video, and come shop with me. $500 plan, we ain't got much to talk about. Apple Pay, Cash App, you get the bread, but that's how you get an SBA loan. If you want more details, spam the comment section, part 2. I got y'all. Have a blessed day. Okay.